Average Model Guy bringing it back to you. We're still working on our 1/35th scale Soviet fire truck. I did a lot of off-camera work, as you can probably tell. I got the rest of the undercarriage complete. As you can see, I'll go ahead and bring it up to you. Went ahead and got some dirt on the tires, rusted out the frame, got our engine put in. So let me get this to focus up here. There we go. Gotta find that sweet focus spot. There we go. Yep. Here's the underside. Got her all nice and rustied up. Yep, this is what we got. I left a little bit of chrome on the front bumper. I know it's kind of hard to tell. A stupid camera would focus, would be wunderbar. But yeah, got that done. And I think now we're going to be putting together the cab, I believe, as our next step. This is going together really easy, obviously. I mean, I turned this out pretty quick. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and get parts clipped and show you what we're going to be building as far as the cab goes. Alright, so here's the work we got cut out for us. Start building together the cab. Looks like we got 2 pieces for this one, then we're going to put a couple other pieces inside the cab, and then we've got our seat down here, got our pedals and gear shifts, clutch, and all that's over there. I think this is the back piece to the cab, and a couple other seat pieces that we're going to be putting together. So I'll go ahead and start slapping these together, and I'll be back with progress. Okay, fellas, this is what we've got done for the evening. A little bit of work went into this. I'm going to put some pictures after this so you can see what all I did to get to this point in the kit so far. So we got the entire cab done. Kind of spinning around here. Should have brought up my little Tamaya thing, but that's okay. So I'm gonna zoom in here a little bit. See the engine. I don't think you're gonna be able to see inside too well, but like I said, I've got pictures of the interior that you should be able to see a lot better than this. Got some cleanup work up here from where it was attached to the sprue. As you can see up there, might have to do a little bit of putty work right in here to get that to kind of set up a little bit better than that. Other than that, it went together okay. Same with this side. We might have to putty just a little bit right there with the way the fit was. Got some more cleanup to do up in here. But other than that, I mean, it went together pretty good. I got some more detail painting down here I got to do for this to match this side. Yeah, fit really nice back here. So came together really good. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it so far. So I think this is going to do it for this one. I guess when we come back, we're going to be working on back here, getting the actual fire truck part of it done. Get the hood on and the grill on too will be part of it. Yeah, I got the headlights on here. I didn't bother putting in the clear yet because I'm going to get this all put together, mask off the windows, and then give it that nice good coat of red paint after I mask off everything. I'm sure I think there's fenders too that I'm going to have to put on here as well. But yeah, that's what we've got done. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks again.